Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You need two things right now, the map and a clear reference. Open the map app or lay out the paper map, then enable location services if using a device. Next, spot nearby landmarks or street names so you have anchors. If you have coordinates, jot them down. Choose the map mode and zoom level that shows enough detail for the area. This reduces guessing. Once done, align the map orientation with the real-world direction to make the first placement accurate. Now narrow the location by aligning orientation and measuring. Use the compass or rotate the map so north matches the real world. That makes bearings reliable. If you have an intersection or address, place a pin there and check distances using the map scale, count blocks, or use the measurement tool. Enter precise coordinates if available. Otherwise, fine-tune with satellite imagery and visible building shapes. Make small adjustments until the pin consistently matches the physical landmark or address you identified earlier. To finish, verify the pinpointed spot so you can trust it. Cross-check with a second map app, a GPS device, or by physically comparing landmarks on site. Save or share the pin and record coordinates or the exact address for later use. If the location seems wrong, troubleshoot. Make sure GPS and location permissions are on, update map data, and recalibrate your compass or restart the device. If errors persist, try a different map source to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.